2BrightSparks SyncBack review. Is it the best backup software? So hello everyone, so in today's video I'll be doing a review right here for 2BrightSparks SyncBack. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a special link in the description below in where you can get special discounts right here if you are planning to purchase SyncBack. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with the review. So according to Trustpilot right here, SyncBack has a 4.9 star rating out of 5 stars out of 158 reviews. So this one's the review summary right here. Reviewers overwhelmingly had a great experience with this company. Customers appreciate the software for its reliability and comprehensive features, highlighting its effectiveness in various backup scenarios, including cloud backups. People find the program user-friendly with many options that meet different needs, from basic to advanced. The software's ability to handle file synchronization, mirroring, and backup tasks efficiently is also praised. Consumers consistently commend the company's support team for their promptness, knowledge, and helpfulness. Reviewers mention that support agents are quick to respond and stay with them until their issues are resolved, providing clear and easy-to-follow guidance. The responsiveness and expertise of the support team contribute significantly to the positive customer experience. So yeah, so this is the review summary right here for 2BrightSparks SyncBack. So these are some of the products right here that 2BrightSparks has to offer. So we have the SyncBack Pro right here, which costs around $59.95 a month. So yeah, you can also try their free trial right here for SyncBack Pro. So again, if you want to get special discounts or special promos for SyncBack, make sure to click on the link in the description below. It also has some other products right here like SyncBack SE. So this one is their easy to use backup and file synchronization software. So you can also download their free trial right here as well. And then this one will cost around $44.95. So again, if you want to get special discounts or special promos for any of the SyncBack softwares right here, make sure to click on the link in the description below. So yeah, that's pretty much it, the review for 2BrightSparks SyncBack. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.